Just 10 more minutes. I have to finish this episode. It is only 2 a.m. Hee-hi. Ava looks so funny. Drool is flowing down, haha. So uncomfortable. It hurts right to my brain. I cannot stand it anymore.
Try to bear it a little bit. We are almost there. Eating sweets at night. And not brushing teeth. Bacteria destroyed everything. Must extract it immediately.
There is so much food. Let's make lunch. Everyone, hurry up.
I will help Mom cook. I must wash these tomatoes cleanly. This is so great. I am free now. This game is really fun.
Thank you, daughter. You are very good. I am so proud. Go wash your hands.
Lunch is ready, Ava.
Put the phone away now. Focus on eating. Wait a minute. I am almost done with this level. I am full. I am going to sleep. My eyes are closing. This bed is so soft. My whole back hurts. I must rest.
Do not lie down yet. It will hurt your stomach. Sit up now.
Hey, lying like this is so comfortable. Let's have a good sleep. I will wash the dishes so Mom can rest. Mom worked hard all morning. The wind is so cool. The room is so airy. The music is very soft. Let's clean up. Sweeping the floor really clean. Sweep left, sweep right. Sweep all the trash away. Drink lots of water. You guys are so bright. Grow up fast. This place is softer. I am really tired. There is a good movie on TV. Clean up the trash, Ava. The table is all dirty. I will clean it later. It is getting exciting.
Your eyes are red. Turn it off now. Looking too long makes you nearsighted.
Yes, I know.
Just 5 more minutes, please.
Everything is done. Everything is ready. Ava, are you not folding clothes for tomorrow? Worry about it tomorrow, no rush. I am busy. Do not bother me. Keep it far from your eyes. You will be nearsighted. I still see clearly. It is okay. Have you not packed yet? It is very late. Remember to brush your teeth before bed. Eating and reading comics is so great. Nothing is happier. You are too loud. Leave me alone. Just chewing a little bit. Almost done. This movie is so good. Just 10 more minutes. I have to finish this episode. It is only 2 a.m. Hee-hi.
Wake up, girls. The sun is high up. We are almost late for departure.
I slept so well. Full of energy. I must put on my shoes. Let's go. Wake up, daughter. It is too late. Ava! Let me sleep for 15 more minutes. I cannot open my eyes. Mom, prepare my clothes for me. I forgot yesterday. Ava looks so funny. Drool is flowing down, haha.
This place is so beautiful. Let's set up the tent quickly. The air is very fresh.
Lots of firewood here. The fire will catch fast. Is everyone hungry? I will prepare the meat. My body is falling apart. My limbs are weak. I cannot do it.
Careful, it is hot. Blow before you eat.
It looks so delicious. I must bite it right away. So uncomfortable. It hurts right to my brain. I cannot stand it anymore. Oh, my dear daughter, everyone, we go home now. We must find a doctor.
Try to bear it a little bit. We are almost there.
Hurry up, Dad. The tooth hurts terribly.
The cavity is too big. The enamel is all ruined. Of course it hurts. Eating sweets at night. And not brushing teeth. Bacteria destroyed everything. Must extract it immediately.
I really regret it. The trip is completely ruined. From now on, no more sweets. I know my mistake. Sorry, everyone.
Learn from this experience. Do not do it again.
Everything is fine now. Losing a bad tooth. Exchanging for a good habit.
There is still some time left. Let's go over there and play. Breathe the fresh air. Let's enjoy it together. Let's take a walk. I feel much more relieved. Yeah. Everything is so beautiful.